Quartz watch users may tend to think a battery can be replaced within a few minutes. In actual fact, a professional maintenance operation is far more complex. This service includes exchanging all water resistance gaskets as well as standard tests performed according to an extremely stringent procedure. In the first phase, the watchmaker opens the watch using a specific case-back key and then removes the movement. The case is dismantled. The bezel, the click spring, the push pieces, and the sapphire crystal are separated from the case middle. All the water-resistant gaskets are discarded, since they have inevitably deteriorated due to ultraviolet rays, certain cosmetics, chlorine in swimming pools, or other aggressive substances. The components, including the metal bracelet, are then cleaned in an ultrasound machine. All these parts are then meticulously dried and reassembled. As far as the movement is concerned, the worn battery is removed for recycling. A dedicated Breitling device measures the movement operating parameters and adjusts the programming of the watch circuit. It calculates the electric consumption in microamperes and measures the daily rate of the watch in hundredths of a second. For a Breitling Super Quartz chronometer, the maximum deviation tolerated is 15 seconds per year, or 4/100ths of a second per day. To ensure precise determination of such a small discrepancy, the measuring device is periodically calibrated using a system of atomic clocks. Once adjusted, the movement is cased up again. The service concludes by a quality control that includes a water resistance test and a detailed aesthetic control. It is only after this rigorous control procedure that the chronometer will be returned to its owner with the assurance of a Breitling certified quality service.